Can you imagine this? What if your text would be eaten by Pacman? And there's a new feature in our Stateless. Click on settings and turn on the Pacman mode. Let's put 1 minute and 5 seconds and save the settings and click start 1 minute session. Let's go. Open a new tab and type yaps.chat. This is my pretty cool web app that is one-time end-to-end encrypted anonymous chats. Yeah, let's stop. Here we go. Pacman. Yep. Really interesting. Try it out. This feature was added by Pexot. Really cool. If you have something in your mind, kind of leaderboards or some fun stuff, maybe we can change also between Pacman and other stuff. For example, Pi or I don't know. Yeah, kind of interesting stuff and fun stuff. Go ahead, contribute. It's fully open source. Yeah, let's see.